I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed.
What's up, guys? Today is on a Saturday. Yeah, the last Saturday of May. That's a fonolder my hubby brought me. So this morning, guys, I'm starting this vlog here. So I want to clean my dressing table. Yeah, where I usually put everything that I use for my body, sprays, lotions, toothbrush, where I usually put everything that I use for my beauty. So that is just a small dressing table that I got from this village. Someone just made it for me. Yeah, so guys, there is where I usually put everything that I use for my beauty, lotions, sprays, and my nanny had cleaned cloth, so they were folded. I just want to put them in closet and arranging that closet well. This is a back to work reset. So I just want to put everything where it should be so that my week can run smoothly as I go back to work. Yeah, so that is my small closet where I usually put my clothes and hobbies and so many things. Yeah, so I'm just arranging them well. Trousers alone, skirts alone, dresses alone, jackets alone. That is what I'm doing because I've been here on off for 1 month. Now it's time to go back to job. Yeah, so I have to make everything be reachable, and my work clothes, my work outfits. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing. So it's just a reset of my going back to work. Yeah, so if you're new, my name is Adija. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber based in Nairobi and has gone along my home. I'm a homemaker, cooking, cleaning, lifestyle, motherhood, shopping alls I does in this channel. So consider subscribing. I'm done with the closet. Just want to sweep that bedroom mat, and I'm going to change that position of that bedroom mat. Yeah, I think that place, it seems offside. Yeah, so I'm just sweeping that carpet. It was not that dirty, but the things which I've been throwing down there when I was clearing everything in that dressing table. Just a simple and worthy morning reset for my week as I go back to job. Yeah, so today I will do a general cleaning to this master bedroom. Yeah, I'm opening the windows over there so that we can have a fresh air and the dust can just flow from outside, guys. Yeah, and I got that orthopedic mattress. Yeah, I had developed some backaches and neck because the mattress that we had, I think it was not of good quality, but it was very expensive. So we decided to go for this orthopedic, but you guys, it's very expensive but worthy. I couldn't bend, but I'm trying. I couldn't even make that bed the way I'm making, but I've slept it for around 2 weeks, this orthopedic one. And guys, I don't need a backache therapy. Yeah, I think I'm doing fine, guys, if I can bend and sweep. You guys, I was really sick with my back, but I decided to go for this orthopedic mattress, though it was very expensive, you guys, not a joke. We spend a lot of money getting this mattress, but it's worthy than the money we could spend going for our therapy for the back. So I'm just giving it a good look. Yeah, so I'm doing the beddings for 1 week. I don't change my beddings for 1 week. So yeah, I've kept clean duvets. Even the duvet cover is clean, so I'm just going to use it for 1 week. Yes guys, so I'm giving that bed a fresh look today. Yeah, because weekdays I will not be around. I will leave in the morning very early and come back in the evening. And you know what, when we leave the work in the evening, we're always tired and just coming and cooking for the family. So I usually change my beddings once over the weekend only. Yeah, we are getting into winter and you must have those warm duvet covers that I have kept there. So I've dashed to the toilet and giving it a thorough cleaning, because I will be washing it every morning, but I will not deep clean it, you guys. So I'll just be scrubbing it a little bit before I leave. Yeah, but today I'm giving it thorough cleaning, you guys. As you can see over there, that is my master bedroom, bathroom. Yeah, bathroom and toilet. So remember to subscribe, get motivated to clean your master bedrooms today from this video. Yeah, so it's time to rinse the toilet, you guys. Today I'm going to give this bedroom a full general cleaning, because it is up to Saturday that I will be doing every general cleaning. The other days I will be just waking up, just making the bed, just cleaning the toilet and leave. And now I want to clean that my sink there. I usually use the Harpic to clean the sink too. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing today, to just reset the bed. And you can see I removed my hair overnight. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to make my hair. I'm using that Msafi lavender to scrub the towels, you guys. It doesn't have the lavender scrubbing powder, so I'm using the Omo, the Msafi powder there, to scrub those towels. It has been a while, you guys. So this is what I usually do every Saturday when I'm on work, when I'm going back to job, because I think Saturdays are the days I'm off. Not all, but the day when I'm off, I usually do general cleaning and thorough cleaning to this master bedroom. The other house is usually cleaned by the nanny. Yeah, and I thank God because I got a nanny who is very clean, you guys. My house is entire clean. It's just because I don't allow anyone to clean my master bedroom. No one cleans my master bedroom. My nannies don't even get into my bedroom. I does it for myself, because I respect my marriage and I respect myself. Yeah, my master bedroom is out of bound for all nannies in this house. That is what it has become, my norm and my routine. Since I ever started dealing with nannies, no nanny was ever cleaned my bedroom. Even in my pregnancy time, no nanny has ever cleaned or entered my bedroom. And that has been my rule, and it has worked. You just stick on that very strictly. It's time to clean the windows. Yeah, they are very dust. We are getting into a dry season in our area, so dust is everywhere, guys. So I'm cleaning even the doors, so that I just want my week to be smooth and clean. When you come to sleep, you sleep in a clean environment. So if you are new, consider subscribing, like this video, leave a positive comment and tell me what you think, and you tell me what I did to this video, to this room, after I finished cleaning, you guys. Yeah, So I have cleaned everywhere, you guys, and arranged and organized everything. So today is all about cleaning and organizing my master bedroom. So as I said that I'm going to change that mat and bring it there, because there is where I usually natumia kupanda kwa kitanda. That is the entryway to bed. Yeah, so I just removed it from the closet and brought it there so that it can be easy, and I wipe my legs before I sleep. Yeah, so the bedroom is clean and the bathroom is clean. Bother not the brush over there, I'm going to remove it. Yeah, I want to clean the shoe rack, you guys. Yeah, and arrange my shoes, my hubby shoes and mine. This shoe rack is just mine, and for my hubby, my kids have their own shoe rack. Yeah, so I'm just going to clean it, dust off everything, because just once in a week. Yeah, before I become a busy mom from Monday to Friday, because I cannot leave the job in the evening, you guys, and I come back to clean my bedroom or closet. So I usually do this general cleaning every weekend when I'm free. Some weekends I have errands to run, so I will not. Yeah, but the room is always clean, as you can see over there. I decluttered some shoes. I have just been left a few pieces of shoes for my hubby and mine. So the shoe rack is ready, and now it's time to prepare what we are going to have for dinner. Yeah, so if you're new, consider subscribing. For dinner we are going to have chapati and meat. Bother, my toddler is around, just coughing, not feeling well. So I'm going to have the chapatis over there, and hope you get motivated, hope you like the video, hope you get inspired, and share me out if you can. Tell me what you think about the video. Yeah, no more talking, just see what I did with cooking. So guys, here I had carrots and green peppers, and another grated carrot, garlic and ginger, onions, tomatoes, coconut, tomato paste, soy sauce over there, salt for our beans, meat stew, and cabbage. That is what we are going to have with our chapati today, guys. Yeah, so just see what I did, guys. guys, that is what I cooked for dinner. Yeah, so we cooked chapati, cabbage and meat stew and some beans. You guys here, for me, I love chapati with the beans so much, so I couldn't miss beans in that recipe. So hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you are going to get motivated and enjoy the recipe. Till the next video, bye lovelies. I love you. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.